In the name of God, the most merciful, the most compassionate. If you feel stuck in life, this prayer is for you. Hello everyone. If you are watching this video right now, it means you are feeling stuck, tired, or overwhelmed. Maybe you are trying, but nothing is working. Maybe you feel blocked emotionally, financially, or spiritually. Take a deep breath. This prayer is for you. Close your eyes for a moment. Relax your shoulders and let go of all stress. Say these words slowly with your heart. Oh Allah, I ask you for peace that calms my heart, provision that comes from unexpected sources, and strength when I feel weak. Remove every block from my life. Open doors that I can't open myself, and guide me to what is best for me. I trust you completely. I surrender my worries to you. Amen. Feel the calm. Feel the calm. This is not coincidence. This is connection. Repeat this prayer once in the morning and once before sleeping for 7 days. Many people feel peace from the first day. If this prayer touched your heart, write Amin in the comments section. Like this video so others who need peace can find it. Subscribe for more calm, healing, and spiritual strength. May peace find you today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.